Open the box of your new Infinity drill press table and you'll find all the components well packed, including the top with 4 recessed T-tracks, and there's even a sacrificial insert that's perfectly level with the table. There's even a pair of heavy-duty aluminum hold-down clamps to secure your work, toggle clamps for a quick-release mounting option, a complete hardware pack to assemble and mount the fence, and one included flip stop for repeated accuracy. But certainly, the star of the show is the hollow extrusion that forms the Pro drill press fence and offers such outstanding dust collection. There's even a semicircular cutout to allow clearance for the chuck when you're drilling close to the fence, which is a big improvement over more basic fence designs. The 2 1/4 inch hose fitting works on the left or right side of the fence, depending on your optimal dust collection layout. The full 1 inch thick multi-layer ply-core top is milled with 4 handy T-tracks to accept all sorts of common hardware including 1/4 inch and 5/16 T-bolts, as well as standard 1/4 inch bolts. And optional accessories include a second flip stop so that you can have one mounted on the left and right side, as well as sets of sacrificial inserts for your table. Or you can just make your own from a 1/2 inch MDF for a perfectly flush fit. Simply mount the dust collection fitting to your preferred side with the included sheet metal screws. And then mount the end cap to the opposite side of the fence in the same way. And because the mounting brackets on the Pro fence are adjustable, you can use the fence directly on any existing cast iron drill press table as long as it has T-track slots. For a quick release style mount, just use the included toggle clamps to attach it to the drill press table from underneath. And that table is laminated with a microdot surface on the top. But it's even laminated on the underside to prevent warping over time. Otherwise, if your drill press table has holes, you can permanently mount the table with your choice of hardware. Perhaps the first thing you'll notice is the incredible dust extraction when drilling. Just watch those shavings disappear into the vacuum fence. And that clean work surface means accurate registration against the fence and stop blocks for your next operation. And when your sacrificial inserts get chewed up, you can just spin them end for end and get a little more mileage out of them. And when that side is used up, just flip them over to keep on drilling. Even when drilling 35mm cabinet hinge holes, the dust collection is amazing on this setup. The fence is very similar to the one on Infinity's PRTS 200 portable router table, and that's another tool that offers outstanding dust collection. So if you're looking to add excellent dust collection and great work holding capability, pick up a Pro drill press fence kit from Infinity Tools.